Hi everyone, I am Naina. I'm a recruitment consultant by profession, blogger by choice, and I make YouTube videos for people who are seeking jobs or who are looking for career development. And in today's video, I'm going to cover an interesting topic. Everybody talks about job search, how to do it, they have their expert tips, but in this video, I'm going to tell you why you are not able to find a job yet. So stay tuned. Job search is a very demotivating process, and if it's prolonged, it makes you even more negative about it. And it's not a standard norm for many organizations to get back to the candidates, leaving them deserted, thinking about what happened to my application, I sent my CV. Instead, my advice to all the job seekers would be to focus and understand the reasons which are not being said to you. And if you're constantly feeling rejection from so many organizations, you might focus on these things. Today I'm going to give you 10 simple reasons that might help you in your job search journey to learn from. So the first thing would be understand that your resume is not as per the job description. Sometimes during our job search, we get so desperate that we keep on applying to anything and everything we come across, which is not right. So make sure your resume and the job you're applying for, you have already seen and matched it properly, and then you have sent your CV. Tip number 2. You have not reached out to the right people in your industry. You have sent your resume just on somebody's Gmail or maybe on a fake ad, which was not a genuine job. So don't get disappointed. It was not a right application. Instead, it was no application at all. Tip number 3. Your networking strategy is not right. Maybe on LinkedIn, if you're trying to network to do a job search, maybe you are reaching out to everybody and anybody who is available in your network, which is not right. So make sure you pen down or make a list of the top players in your industry and reach out to them with a polite message to connect. Tip number 4. My tip number 4 is there is only one job available with the employer and he cannot give it to everybody. Maybe your application is not suitable and the employer is so busy to get back to you and they have already selected somebody else. Tip number 5. You are not applying to enough jobs. This could be a big reason because some people, they apply for like 1 or 2 jobs a day and they feel, yeah, I've done my bit. But in difficult times and when there is too much of competition, this is not enough. So make sure you apply as many jobs as you can. Now, reason number 6, your resume needs work. It might be a big reason that in your resume the skills are all over the place, it's not right. So there is no harm in reaching out to people and asking them for a resume review. Get your resume reviewed or do it yourself through some websites which are easily giving you a feedback about your resume. So that might be a good idea to do a resume review. Now, tip number 7. Tip number 7 is there are sudden changes in the employer's requirement. We all at professional world, there are unsaid things which we need to grasp and understand ourselves, that we have pressures. So there might be a change in their requirements suddenly. The hiring manager is not happy with the job description. They want to add some more responsibilities which you are not suitable for. Or it could be that they have a referral which is very strong from somebody and they want that person to be hired. Now, tip number 8. Don't apply during holiday season. Every country has holiday seasons, and if you're applying for jobs during December or say in the summer vacations, people might be traveling and it's not the right time. It would make the process really, really slow. Tip number 9. Interview doesn't mean job landing. So for example, if you have applied for a few jobs and you've been lucky, you got an interview call, it doesn't mean that you'll get the job. Don't stop applying, keep applying. Even if you're interviewing, you need to keep your options open. Tip number 10, and most important, actually it's not a tip, but Send out your positivity wherever you are applying. Don't apply while being demotivated that I might not get it, but I'm sending my CV. The moment you have this thought along with your resume, I'm not making you superstitious, but I feel it doesn't work. So confidence is the key. Wherever you're sending your resume, send it positively, and I wish you all the very best for your job search. I hope my video was useful to you. Do share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting career tips from my experience. Thank you for watching.